welcome back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen. And if you are new here, I would like to give you a big welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Today we're going to be planning in my classic vertical happy planner that I use as my catch-all. And today I'm going to be using stickers from Steph's Design Space. Now, while I was planning out the stickers I was going to use for this week, I did realize that Friday is going to be National Sticker Day, and it was kind of hard to find some stickers, but then I remembered I had a few stickers that Steph had. These are like die cut type stickers, and these are perfect for this week because they say I have a sticker for that, and I actually have two of these, so I can put one on each side. So I'm going to be using these two die cut stickers from Steph's Design Space. Also, I'm going to be using the winter kit from Steph's Design Space. Now this one has some pretty winter pine trees and a white truck with a pine tree and a snowman in the back and some really pretty white florals. This is the second page to it, which is all deco. And I got two copies of the kit because I loved it so much. So these are the same, just the deco. And then here is the functional sheet for the same winter kit. You have your days of the week, a couple of headers, some days, some full boxes, some quarter boxes, and then some blank headers, and then a few of the pretty white florals. And I got two of those because the way the kit comes is winter 1 and winter 2. And so I got two copies of that from Steph's Design Space. And also when I was looking for stickers, I found this Sticker Lover sticker sheet from Growing Modestly. She has this sticker sheet in her shop, which has a couple of sticker quotes and a couple of sheets of stickers I can use around the spread as well. And so I'll be using those too. If you would like to shop at Steph's Design Space, go ahead and give her shop a look. And if you decide you'd like to purchase anything there, I do have a discount code for you. I'll go ahead and link it down in the description below. My discount code is Carmen15, and that will give you 15% off of your purchase over at Steph's Design Space. And also, I will be using a daily gratitude script sticker from Steph's Design Space as well. Gotta find those so I can have them ready to go once I'm to that part of my spread. But there are these stickers right here. You can also find these daily gratitude scripts over at Steph's Design Space. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I do want to use the days of the week, but I don't want to cover up the big numbers. I'm just going to use the actual day of the week cover with no numbers. So we're going to go ahead and start with that. All right, now I am using a winter kit because technically we still are in the season of winter, but I live here in Texas and we haven't really seen much of any winter weather except for a little bit of a winter front that we got the week leading up to Christmas. But other than that, we haven't really seen any kind of cool weather. On the contrary, it's been pretty hot here. So hopefully me using this winter kit, maybe it will help the weather get cooler down here. At least I hope so. What is the weather like where you guys are watching from? I'm curious to know. I know some people up north are getting, or have been getting, some snow and stuff like that. So just curious to see what kind of weather you've got from where you are watching from. All right, so I've got the last one going down here. So we got Monday through Sunday here. All right. Now I think I'm going to bring in my gratitude script already. I know it's a little early, but I actually don't plan on putting a long box like I usually do here. I think I'm just going to use the dot grid that's here and maybe just to put down my bullet points somewhere here. So I think that's how I'm going to do it this week, kind of change it up a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my bullet points. I do have some black ones here, so we're going to go ahead and go with black. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, and the way I use my daily gratitude is I don't write out full sentences or anything like that. Like, I'll just think of what I'm grateful for that day. Sometimes it's several things, or most days it's several things. So I pick out the one that stands out to me the most, and then that's the one that I put down here on the side. It could be a word or just a couple of words. That's why I don't need that much space here. So we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I had exactly enough. Okay. All right, so now I've got the days of the week and my daily gratitude put down here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put down some functional boxes. So I'm going to take both of these that I have here and put a functional box here. And then another one on Friday, and those are going to be for my trash and my recycle schedule. Okay. And then let's see. We're going to put down the big boxes. We're going to go ahead and alternate these. And then one down here. Then Thursday and Friday. I'm not going to put one down for the weekend. Just going to do kind of Monday through Friday. Now in these long boxes, I'm going to put my to-dos for the week. And they don't necessarily have to be big to-dos either, or they don't have a set time. And they don't even have to be done that particular day, just as long as I get them done sometime in the week is good. All right. And then I think that's it for right now as far as the functional goes. And I'll be back if I need to put some more down. All right, so we're going to take this truck and it will be put down here. And put down some of the trees. I'll put a tree down right here. I hope I can fit this bigger tree back here somehow. Maybe I just have to lift the smaller one a little. I'm determined to get this big tree here. All right. Then we're gonna put this baby. It's cold outside. Hopefully it'll be cold on the weekend. That looks very pretty. Now I think I do want to add I have a sticker for that because Friday is National Sticker Day, but I do want to bring this in as well. So I'll bring in the sticker day. Make sure I don't cut it. Okay, sticker day. Put the day here, and then sticker. Oh. Okay, sticker day. Now I do have this one Happy Planner sticker that I did find, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that one maybe right over here somewhere. It's not exactly in the spot I want it to be. Let's see, where are my tweezers? It's covering up some of the ER, and I don't want that to be covered up. Okay. All right, and then we're going to take some of the green sticker sheets that are around here. Let's see, here's one. Put it up there as well. And maybe one down here. All right, and then we're going to take the Steph's Design Space die cut. That says I have a sticker for that. I don't know if it'll fit right here. Let me see. No, but I will put it here, I think. Okay. And then we can put the other one that I have. See where it will look best. Maybe down here. Okay. All right. Now we're going to come back and I'm going to wipe this week's list out. So I don't really make weekly lists. The only list that I make is my daily gratitude list, but I already have it up there. So we'll go ahead and add some decorative florals here. Make it look all nice. Very, very pretty. Okay, and I think I'll add another floral at the top over on the Sunday. Okay. I do have these stems here. I'm trying to figure out how I can use these. And I think this one can go right over here. And then maybe this one can go over here or right here. If I move this sticker to the right, I can probably put that stem there. Let's see if this will come up. If not, we're gonna just have to leave it here. Okay. We can do this like that, and then we can bring in this other long stem here. And what I was thinking was putting it right over here. Okay. And then I do have 2 flowers left here. I don't know where I would put them though, where they wouldn't look out of place. Well, I think I would probably put one here because you can barely see that. So I'm gonna put this one right here with some stuff coming out of there. That looks good. And then my other one, I guess I could put it here. Maybe, I don't know, facing upward like this. Yeah, okay. So I finished one of my 2 deco sheets and I still have another one left, which is great. Let's see. I kind of want to put some more functional boxes down. Let's see, this floral's a little big and I have some that are slightly smaller. I kind of want to switch it out for a smaller one. Let's see, hopefully it'll come up. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll just put this back here and then get me one of the smaller ones here. Yeah, this is gonna look better, I think. And I was looking to put in some headers, I think, right? Yeah. Some empty headers. And one for Saturday, it could go here. Then another one for Sunday, and it can go here. But I do have to fix one. This one is crooked. Super crooked. Like, I don't even know how I put it down that crooked. Well, actually, I know how I put it down, but like, I don't know why I put it down so crooked. Okay. All right. Huh, it would be cool if the flower would be like a tree topper, but that would look weird. Let's see here. Trying to think of where else this could go. It looks good there. I'm gonna get some scissors and just cut off a little bit of the extra. Okay. Okay, let me take one last look here. Okay, I think that this looks good. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me during this plan with me. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit the like, subscribe, and notification button if you would like to be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.